set, ready to race number 1, the start of our winner take all event racing. Just is started. We have Real Thunder break quickly at the start. Dieguito is down on the inside. Oliver's Twist is on the outside. Belia Bandida comes next, while Diamond Magic is the early trailer. Van going along for the first turn. We have Belia Bandida, Dieguito in second. Oliver's Twist is on the outside. Real Thunder comes next, while Diamond Magic is racing in fifth as they swing. Down the back, we have Belia Bandida. Oliver's Twist is on the outside. Dieguito running 3 wide, then followed over by Real Thunder. And on the outside comes Diamond Magic. And at the far turn, we have Belia Bandida. Moving up on the outside is Dieguito. Then here comes Diamond Magic together with Real Thunder now closing in. We have Diamond Magic. A long shot now moves up to take the lead. Real Thunder in the middle. Down on the inside comes Dieguito. And Diana entering the home stretch. We have Diamond Magic by about 2 lengths. And in second comes Real Thunder. Dieguito is down on the inside with about 150 meters more to run. Diamond Magic, Real Thunder moving upon the outside to take the lead. We have Real Thunder followed by Diamond Magic, and finally it's Real Thunder, Diamond Magic, Dieguito.
So yan nga po, Real Thunder, Diamond Magic, and Dieguito, 1, 2, 3 placers at doing 7.5, 24.5, 24.5, finishing with 29 for a total of 1 minute 25.4.
That's Jackie J.V. Hernandez on top of horse Real Thunder.